Hello my beautiful children, welcome back to class. This is your Jayashree ma'am. Today we will start our class with a beautiful rhyme. But before that, can you tell me who likes to eat cookies? Yes, yummy yummy cookies. I know. Everyone likes to eat cookies. So let's sing a rhyme about cookie. The name of the rhyme is Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Okay, let's start. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Papa took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you, not me. Then who? Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Brother took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you, not me. Then who? Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Sister took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. I took the cookie from the cookie jar. Yummy, yummy cookie from the cookie jar. Are you hungry? Aha! Let's share. Children, did you like this rhyme? Please practice with your parents. So children, today we'll learn about animals like pet animals, wild animals, then we'll learn about water animals and birds. After that, we'll listen to a very interesting story. Are you all excited? Let's start. So children, today we'll start with pet animals. What is pet animals? Yes, pet animals are which animal you can keep at your home. People used to keep animals at home as companion and for their entertainment. They will give food and shelter. So we should take care of them. So few animals like dog, cat, rabbit, fish we can keep in our home. So now let's learn about pet animal. Children, let's sing a rhyme about pet animals. I have a pet, it is a dog, it says bon bon. I have a pet, it is a cat, it says meow meow. I have a pet, it is a fish, it swims like this. So children, did you like this rhyme? Yes? Okay, very good. Look children, this is a dog. Dog we can keep at home. Dog guards our house and it becomes our best friend. Next, can you tell me who says meow meow? Yes, it is a cat. Cat also we can keep at home. Now, can you tell me what is this? Yes, correct. It's a rabbit. Rabbit comes in few colors like brown, black, white, etc. Children, look, this is a parrot. Parrot comes in green color with red beak. Few parrots can talk. You know children, we can keep fishes also at home. You can take a aquarium, then you can keep pet fishes in that. Children, we should take good care of pet animals. We should love them. We should give food and shelter. Will you take care of them? Yes? Very good. So now children, we'll learn about farm animals. Children, have you ever visited a farm? No? Okay, let me tell you about farm. Farm is a place where animals stay, rest, grow, etc. So now sing a rhyme about farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and in his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. They moo here, moo there, here moo there, moo everywhere, moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and in his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. He oink here, oink there, here wink, there wink, everywhere, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and in his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. The Baba here, Baba there, here ba, there ba, everywhere, Baba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and in his farm he had some hens, E-I-E-I-O. He chick here, chick there, hey chick there, chick everywhere, chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So children, did you like this rhyme? Okay. Now let's learn about farm animals. Okay? Children, can you hear that sound? Can you tell me which animal make sound like this? Yes, correct. It's a cow. Cow gives us milk. Now children, can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, it's a hen. Hen says cuckoo, cuckoo, and hen gives us egg. See children, this is a goat. Goat comes in two colors, brown, black, and from goat we get meat and milk. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it is a horse. Horse comes in black, brown in color. Children, can you tell me who is this? Yes, it's a sheep. Ba, black sheep. No, it is a white sheep. From sheep we get wool, and from that wool we make clothes. So these all are farm animals. They stay in a farm. Children, look, can you see a forest with full of trees? Many animals live in the forest. They are called wild animals. Now let's learn about wild animals. Look children, this is a tiger. Tiger is our national animal. It belongs to cat family. Now can you tell me who is this? Yes, this is an elephant. Elephant has a huge body with two big ears and a big trunk, and it is the biggest animal in the wild. Children, can you tell me who is this? Yeah, this is a monkey. Monkey stays in tree. They like to eat bananas. Now children, who is this? Yes, this is a snake. Snake has no leg. Snake crawls on land. Lion. Lion is a king of the forest. Look children, this is a zebra. Zebra is black and white in color. Children, can you tell me who is this? Yes, correct. It is a giraffe. Giraffe has long neck and it is also a wild animal. So children, today you learned about wild animals. So they lived in the forest and they search for their own food and shelter. So now let's learn about water animals. Okay? Children, do you like to swim? Have you ever been to seaside? Have you ever seen an animal which can swim in the water? Yes. So which animal can live in the water are called water animals. So now let's learn about water animals. Okay? Look, this is a crab. Crab has 10 legs and 2 big eyes. Crab can walk backwards. Now, can you see the crocodile? Yes, crocodile is also a water animal. Crocodile have very thick skin. Look children, this is a starfish. It looks like a star. Can you see this frog? Yes, this frog is green in color. You know, frog likes to jump. Look children, this is a dolphin. Dolphin is a very cheerful animal. Can you see this? Yes, machli jal ki rani hai. Yes, this is a fish. This all water animals can stay inside the water and they can take breathe also. We have other animals also who can live in water like octopus, seahorse, turtle, etc. So children, water animal can live in water. They can take breathe in water. So now let's learn about birds. Children, do you know how birds can fly? Come on children, try with me. Like this, like this, like this. Yes children, birds can fly with the help of wings. Now can you tell me a few names of birds? Yes, correct. Peacock, crow, owl, etc. Children, can you see this crow? Yeah, this is a crow. Crow is black in color. Crow says caw, caw. See, this is a peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock have very beautiful and colorful feathers. See, this is a parrot. I already told you about parrot, right? Parrot comes in green color. It has red beak. See children, this is an owl. Owl can see only in the night. See children, this is a pigeon. Pigeon is a symbol of peace. Can you tell me who is this? Yeah, it's an eagle. Eagle can fly very high. So now children, you learned about birds. Bird stays in nest. They can fly, they can sit. Now children, today you learned about birds and animals, right? So now let's do an activity. Look children, here are some wild animals and farm animals together. Let's separate them. Wild animal you have to keep here and farm animal you have to keep here. See, can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, this is a zebra. So zebra is a wild animal. So we can keep here. Now can you say this one? Yes, this is a sheep. Sheep is a farm animal. So you can keep here. Can you tell me which animal is this? Correct. This is a tiger. Tiger is wild animal. So you can keep here. Can you tell me which animal is this? This is a cow. Cow is a farm animal. So you can keep here. Oh, this is a goat. You can keep goat in this box because goat is a farm animal. Oh, it's a bear. You can keep bear with tiger because bear is a wild animal. This is a giraffe. Giraffe is wild animal. So you can keep in this box. This is a horse. Horse is a farm animal. So you can keep in this box. So children, did you like this activity? Please try at home. Children, now do you want to listen to a story? Yes? Okay, let's listen to a story and enjoy. The name of the story is Pintu Found a Trumpet. Pintu was a curious boy. One day he found a big metal pipe. He thought, what is this? He was very curious. So he thought maybe it is a rattle. So he tried to shook it, but it made no sound. After that, what he did? Then he went to his brother Pintu. But Pintu also don't know what is that. After that, Pintu went to his sister Ria. Ria also don't know about that. So Pintu tried many things. He tried to eat also. He tried to play like a cricket bat. After that, what happened you know? So he thought, let me try to blow air into it. So he put his mouth to the end of the pipe and he blew air. Wow! It sounds so nice. He tried again and again. When his mother came to house in the evening, he already knows this is a trumpet. He had lot of fun to play in this. So children, did you like this story? Yes? Very good. Now children, time to say bye-bye. So, bye-bye. Take care. Ta-ta.